This is the elevator at the New College of Florida Natural Sciences Complex in Sarasota, Florida. Impulse lantern. Impulse on the inside, but innovation on the outside. We are at 2. Let's go back down to 1. This might be a ThyssenDover. Here's your phone. It says Dover Elevator Help Link. Again, impulse fixtures. We're just gonna get, actually, here's a look at your inspection certificate. 4,500 pound capacity. I'm just gonna look at the cab from down here. Dover blew up the shaft, so this probably is a ThyssenDover, but the title will say for sure. Anyway, there it goes. And that's it.